everybody, welcome back to Organised Joy. Today is such a chilly day in Johannesburg. It's Saturday and it's been raining all morning. So we're in jerseys and I'm actually sitting here at the moment. Let me do this for you quickly and show you. I have a dog in my lap and another one here. They are so cute. When it's cold, all they want to do is be with me. So today's episode is all about restaurants. Now it's going to be a really quick one because I'm not going to tell you what restaurants to go to and I don't have a list for you today. But I wanted to give you a little trick of what I do. Now we all have our favorites, right, in terms of restaurants. And I absolutely love Tasha's. Andy and I love the one in Athol specifically, but all of them are really, really good. They are consistently good. Another favorite of ours is Bellini's. Bellini's is like an institution. Nothing's changed, not even the chairs there. But the food is always really, really good. They never let you down. So we all have our specific favorites. And the tip that I have for you today is how to keep track of all of that and have all the details and have easy access to it, basically. So what I like to do is, as soon as I found a place that I really like, I obviously drop the telephone number into my phone, into the contacts. And then what I do is I will always write, so if I've written Bellini's, I put the area it's in, so Ilovo. I put the telephone number in, and then in the notes section, I put all their days they're open, days they close, the hours that they're open and closed. I put a link to their menu. And when I've first been to a place, I often write a note in there about what I liked, what the food was like, or what I ate. So that when I'm looking for somewhere else to go, I can remember what it was all about or what I liked there. It's also really handy because if somebody asks you for a suggestion to go somewhere, you can actually tell them a little bit about it. I don't know, I often am at a few things that happen at lunch places and dinner places, and then you forget what you ate there and you forget what kind of food it is. So it's really handy to just have it in the notes section. You click onto it, open it, you can see when you can go, you can call them to make a reservation, and you can even see the menu. So for me, when I'm really eating very clean, I like to go in and check that menu out when I've got a lot of time and decide what I'm eating so that I can stay eating clean. Otherwise, you're sitting at the restaurant and it gets really pressured and you have to pick something and you always end up picking something you wish you hadn't. So yeah, that's today's episode for you. It's really restaurants and how to keep track of the ones you like and have all their details. So when you are next at yours, grab their card or take all their details off the slip when you're paying. It's all there. And maybe drop me a comment below of your favorite restaurant at the moment, and Andy and I can try it out. And if you haven't hit subscribe, please hit subscribe now. And if you thought this tip was handy, give me a thumbs up.